Ahoy, this is Zdenka. If you are new to smartphone gimbals or have tough time selecting the correct gimbal mode, simply the gimbal is swinging in all kinds of directions but not in the direction you would like to, this video is for you. Gimbal modes. This video applies to any gimbal, but for those wondering, I'm using Chuang Smart X Pro in today's video, which I'm gonna be reviewing very soon. So don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see it. Here's how it looks when you have a wrong gimbal mode selected. I'm trying here to film the nice view ahead as I am moving around the railing, but the gimbal keeps moving. It goes up and down, and I cannot keep the view nicely framed. This is because I'm using all follow mode instead of mode number 1, lock mode. What is lock mode? In this mode, all axes are locked, not allowing the camera to move in any direction. Simply frame the view, the shot with a joystick, and lock it. Here are 5 sample shots to help you understand better where you can use this gimbal mode. First shot is pulling back away, maintaining the same view of a location. If you find a structure you can go through, it will be more of a surprising shot for a viewer. Second shot is revealing the location while you are moving around an object and continuing movement forward. Simply choose a frame, lock it, and move away. The camera will stay locked and it's not going to move. Start revealing a location and keep moving forward. As you move forward, you don't have to worry that the gimbal will swing to the side. The view will always be the same. High and low shots will be much easier to accomplish in this mode as well, because the gimbal will not allow you to lose the view. Shot number 4 is a combined shot, going backwards, showing off details, and then changing direction downwards and forward, revealing what is ahead. This shot is much easier to accomplish if you lock the final frame first and then go to the starting position. It will look way more polished. This last shot will be almost impossible to do without the help of a lock mode, as I had to go backwards through uneven terrain and I had to look quite a bit where I am stepping, never mind the mud everywhere. Once you frame the shot and start moving backwards, you will not lose the view. Okay, moving on to the next mode, but first let me show you again what happens when you select the wrong mode. Here I'm trying to film a very low shot sideways. Unfortunately, the gimbal keeps moving up and down instead of keeping the same level. That is because I'm using all follow mode instead of mode number 2, pan follow mode. In this mode, tilt and roll axes are locked. The only unlocked motor is pan, allowing smooth movement left and right. Let's look at the shot number 1. Unlike lock mode, where you were able to go only in one direction, pan follow mode allows you to go forward and then change direction while you are maintaining the same height, the same frame. Let's return to low angle side shot again. Sure, you could use lock mode to focus only on one view as you are moving sideways. But what if you want more freedom by making a slight curve to show off a bit what is on the side? This is when you want to use pan follow mode. Another mistake is here, which can be very frustrating, just like I am right here. I have a tilt follow mode selected, trying to transition from the sky to show off this view, but I'm getting stuck because I should be using instead mode number 3, follow mode. In this mode, tilt and pan motors are unlocked, allowing you to freely move to the side or up and down. However, roll motors stay locked. Let's return to the same shot as I was showing before, but with the wrong mode. Now that the follow mode is selected, you can create this simple reveal from the sky, showing off the landscape, or from the ground. The gimbal simply follows your movement up and down. If you are going to be filming close-up shots where you know you will be following vertical movement, follow mode is the one to be used. Mode number 4 is POV mode. In this mode, none of the axes are locked, giving you the freedom to move your gimbal in any direction you want. You can pan, tilt, and roll with it. If you are curious what moves you can do with this mode, you're not alone. This friendly chickadee who lives here in Canada seems to be pretty interested as well. I personally like to use this mode for any creative shots where I want to twist and turn, following the shapes of the tree from the top to the bottom. Following an interesting curvy scene on the ground, or mimicking FPV drone as I am walking through the landscape. Just keep in mind to make slow big moves as they always look better. Luckily, this gimbal also allows me to change the speed of gimbal movements in the settings to make it even slower if needed. But that will be discussed in the official review of this Aotron SmartX Pro gimbal. Mode number 5, which is the last one, is Inception Mode, or DM mode, named on this gimbal. It's all about the roll, another creative mode which I like to use mostly for transitions. Some gimbals have them pre-programmed, meaning that the movement will be automatic. On other gimbals, you have to press the joystick sideways to get the roll movement happening. Let's look at the shot number 1. If you are going to be filming a roll movement around the tree, just press the joystick to the side to make the move a bit more dynamic. Second shot is just a stationary shot of a tree crown where I'm not moving, only pressing the joystick, making the spin automatic. The same you can do when you are filming the ground like this ice. Inception mode, DM, or spin shot is also quite common in shots like these. Walking through a tight corridor or walkway, just make it spin away. I hope you liked today's video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. If you have any questions, comments, wanna say hi, leave it below, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Ciao, ahoj.